Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create smooth image slide transition on CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create new project on CapCut. I'm going to click on new project and then I'm going to import some images from my gallery. Okay, here I'm just going to pick random images like this. Once you're done choosing the images you want to add to your project, you can click on add. All right, and go to the transition option right here guys, and to create the slide transition you can go to the slide category, this one, and choose the type of the slide transition that you like, or the slide transition which is suitable for your video. And for example, I'm going to select this vintage screening. Okay, then we can apply the duration right here. You can choose the duration you want to add to the transition. Okay, then I'm going to go to the second transition and go to the slide. And then for the second transition, I'm gonna go with clockwise. Okay, and adjust the duration. Alright, and wait guys, I'm going to zoom in my video. Okay, you can also apply one transition to all your images guys. If you want to apply one transition, you just need to click on apply to all. Wait, I'm going to go to this slide. Okay, and I'm going to choose this one for instance. Okay, and if you want to apply one transition to all your images, you can click on apply to all right here. And now the transition has been applied to all my images, and this is the final result. Okay, then you can add music to the slides video. If you want to add music, just go to the music, go to the audio, and then select sounds, and you can choose the music that is suitable for your video. I'm just going to select the healing music. I'm gonna go with this one for instance. Okay, and after the music has been downloaded, you can add it to your project. This is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create smooth image slide transition in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.